Morning, morning. Yeah, he's not
I'll come here.
Hello.
Namaste, namaste.
All well?
All good.
How is Ajay good? Give our regards.
सब लोग ले नहीं रहा हूँ हाँ ये हाँ।
All everything's covered. Must. It's the best. Higher education. Best.
क्या कुछ भी साथ में
Thank you. Please go ahead.
मैम लोग है
Sorry, please. How? Any appointment?
Check, check.
Come, how is everything?
students who need it. I don't need it.
We invite Mr. Harsha Bhutia to honor our esteemed guest of honor, His Excellency Mr. Gyani Koji.
Fabulous. Thank you. Thank you so much. She's got 1,000. Thank you. Pure organic. Organic. And
Thank you, students.
We invite Ms. Lata Banga to extend a token of appreciation to our trustee, Mr. Jairaj Thakur. Prana Nursery extends its appreciation by gifting a Pegasus-shaped plant to Mr. Jairaj Thakur.
on the fence. Come in the front.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Padma Bhushan Pandit ji has sent a handmade ceramic vase to Ms. Kajol Devda, which will be presented to her.
Thank you. Lovely, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Your presence is what makes this event so truly special. I sincerely hope that you leave with a renewed appreciation.
Including Best Actress, she is recognized for her ability to balance commercial and critically acclaimed roles. Beyond her acting career, she is an advocate for social causes and a devoted mother. Miss Kajol Devgan continues to captivate audiences with her talent, charm, and enduring legacy in Indian cinema. We'd like to invite Miss Devgan to speak a few words.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this absolutely wonderful event here. Thank you, Sanduja. Thank you, Urvashi, for calling me here. I really appreciate it. It's given me a chance to see another side of Juhu that I haven't so far. I'm not a native Juhu person, I have to say that. But I've been here for the last 25-26 years. So, kind of training. Thank you for all those sweet, kind words that you said about me. I think I live up to probably 50% of it. But yes, thank you so much for calling me here. I believe that nature in every form is something that we all as people need to, kind of look up to. And I think everything around us is just telling us again and again now in today's day and age, in the last 5 to 10 years, that we are not stronger than nature. And science has improved and we have gotten better, probably medically speaking as a species. But yes, we need to come back and we need to connect with nature at its base and at its root level, which I think this event is a wonderful example of. So thank you so much once again for calling me here, and let's all have a fabulous time. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
Our guest of honor is Consul General of Japan, His Excellency Mr. Gyani Koji. Video representation that explores the delicate art of cultivating miniature trees. Through time-lapse sequences and close-up shots, it showcases the patience, skill, and dedication required to shape and nurture these living, masterly works of natural art.
India Friendship Bonsai Society began its remarkable journey united by their shared love for nature. Leading this passionate group was Urvashi Thakkar, a true bonsai insider for over 40 years. Together, they formed the Garden Club with a modest membership fee of just 10 rupees. Over time, this group flourished, and in 2003, it blossomed Vimala Deora, and today, the society continues to thrive under the leadership of Harsha Hinduja. As a non-profit organization, the India Friendship Bonsai Society organizes a grand bonsai exhibition on the Jamnabai Narsi campus, a tradition that no other school in Mumbai offers. These exhibitions not only showcase stunning artistry with nature and appreciate its delicate beauty. Adding to the prestige of these events, dignitaries from various embassies have graced the exhibitions as guests of honor, and Bollywood actresses have attended as their support and encouragement to this artistic celebration of nature. Their presence highlights the significance of bonsai as an art form and its
I am the youngest, I can say. For a change. I'm on stand. Not for too long. Ma'am, in the center, please.
Hey, look here.
Harsha, ma'am. Harsha, ma'am. This is very different. You have met me for a very long time. Kajal ma'am. 30 years. Kajal ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Make some spots.
तो पूरा सेंटर ही पकड़ लेता था तो ले भी दबा देता था मेरे को तो लेने थोड़ा साइड से
Yes, ma'am. Kajal ma'am. एक फोटो आहे बॉन्झा बरोबर तुमचा पाहिजे बघता ना.
Look here, please. Look here. Kajal ji center. Kajal ma'am center. Excuse me, side में please.
You have to have a picture. Excuse me, ma'am. You have to decide the picture.
हाँ हाँ. हाँ गेटों में पटक. Kajal ma'am.
And go inside also.
Kajal ma'am.
I won't be able to go inside. Like this quickly, I have to. Okay,
We have another
Kajal ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Kajal ma'am.
Just see outside.
चलो चलो आगे चलो फास्ट.
आराम से
बस बस. Really stunning. हर्षा मैम प्लीज. हर्षा मैम आप आगे आ जाइए प्लीज.
अरे एकदम कितना नहीं.
One second. I will take a
Yash bhai, Yash.
मैम
Looking at the bonsai.
Sir, please.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Thanks.
Come.
अरे दादा.
Please, can you not push?
मैं जा नहीं रहा.
Thank you so much.
दादा पीछे आ जाइए ना थोड़ा प्लीज.
दूर से लो ना यार.
Right, it's beautiful actually. I wish I had more time to go and look at it more in detail, but I really have to run through it today. But another time for sure, definitely. I'm sure you're very happy with all this.
The forest style, different things. This is the umbrella style.
चलो 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 प्लीज अभी साइड दीजिए.
I didn't have to leave it, but I just really had to work with running.
चलते प्लीज आप पीछे चलते देखना. चलते रहो ऐसे चलते रहो.
Yes, please, definitely. I won't say no to you. Yes. Yes. I want somebody back. You send somebody back.
Side.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
एक्सक्यूज मी एक मिनट साइड.
Thank you, bye bye. Thank you, nice meeting you, sir. I'm sorry I won't be able to attend your event on the 10th, but thank you for the invitation.
I told your gift.
My gifts are in the car, I think. I'll send somebody back to pick them.
Or I can.
अरे नहीं देखा भाई